Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night to every one of y'all. So, for me, it's good morning, and it's exactly 6 a.m. in this time when I'm recording this shit. So, for proof, look at this 5:58 a.m. a.m. Like you can see a fucking 5:58 a.m. with this kind of light. So, today today, I just woke up and then I have an urge to do a 100 push-ups in 5 minutes. And if I fail to do so, I'm going to give a random stranger a fucking $60. I mean, 60 pesos, which is equal to $1. And here's your proof: 50 pesos. Let's go. And 10 pesos. So 50 plus 60 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. 60 pesos is equal to $1. Let's go! And by the way, I'm not a pro, like a pro gym expert. So expect the unexpected. So let's go! So you can see it's 6 a.m. in the morning. You can see the chicken hens are. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? So, without further ado, let's go! And by the way, I'm going to warm up first because I don't want to injure myself. I don't want to be reckless. Safety first. And because I love myself. Let's go! Okay, so I think we have a very, very good warm up today. I just finished doing a warm up, so I think I'm ready, born ready. Let's go! Uh, and by the way, for your timer, in order for me to not cheat, I have here my special, very, very special timer. Let's go! Hey, so I'm, I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 30 extra seconds for me to prepare myself in a very, very amazing position. And if the timer hits 5:00 exactly, I'm going to do the 100 push-ups. So, hasta la vista. Lord have mercy. Let's go! Okay, my boy. So I just started my timer, and the timer is currently 20 seconds. So let's go. 15 seconds left. Let's go. Pray for me, my boy. Pray for me for your flesh it bind you want, my boy. Woo. Let's go. 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Fuck! 30, 30, 30! Let's go! 31, ay! 32, 33, 34, fuck! 5, 36, 37, 38, oh my god! This is a bad idea! Shit! Wait for me, my boy! Let's go! 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, fuck! My arm is just automatically giving up and don't know why. Never give up, my boy! 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47. Oh my god, my dick! Wake up! 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Shit! How many left? 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's go, my boy. Wait. 51, 52, 53, 55. Oh my god. Man, it is easier said than done. Fuck. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh my god. How many laps? Yeah. Oh my god! How many did I push up now? Fuck, I forgot! I'm around 60. Go, 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 Pokemon, go! 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Fuck! No! My 60 pesos! Fuck! 66, 67, 68, 69, 70! Let's go! 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 75, 76, 77. How many? Oh shit! Fuck! No! My $1! Fucking timer! Why is it so quick? Why is the 5 minutes so quick? What the fuck is that even 5 minutes? Shit! Oh my god. On my hands. So clean, so good. Anyways, look at the timer. It's been like 40 seconds after it started. Wait. Tuling. Oh. So, fuck! Oh my god. Shit. Look at my hands, my boy. My boys and girls. Women and women. Men. Oh my god. So doing 100 push-ups in 5 minutes is easier than done unless you're Arnold Schwarzenegger or you're going to the gym every day. Fuck! My fucking 60 pesos! My $1! Shit! So I just finished 70 push-ups, and after that the timer goes off. Well, I think it's time to say goodbye. 60 pesos. Where are you, 60 pesos? Oh my god. So this is my 60 pesos. Oh, why is it upside down? So this is my 60 pesos. So this paper is 50 pesos plus this coin, which is equals to 10 pesos. So if you combine them, 60 pesos equals to $1. Let's go! I miss you, my boy. I miss you, whoever you are in this paper. I love you. I hope you serve others well. Hasta la vista. So I think it's time to go. So we're going to walk around our neighborhood and then see if we can see a fucking neighbor or let's see if who we can give this $1 to those who in needs. Let's go. Okay, so today I'm walking out now with my 60 pesos or $1 bill, and then let's see who is our first victim, our first lucky stranger to get $1. Oh, I guess we have a new stranger, lucky stranger. What's up, my boy? You want 60 pesos? 60 pesos? 60 pesos, my boy. 60 pesos. Oh, hell no, this is not the food. It's not my food, my boy. 60 pesos. So that's a 60 pesos. You want a 60 pesos? You can do anything with 60 pesos. Do you know how to consume it, boy? So I guess this dog can I just realized that this dog can really actually use a 60 peso bill because he can speak a human language. Are you busy, yeah? Hey man, well, you're very lucky today. Swerte mo ngayon. Nagano kaya kuya, I did 100 push-ups in 5 minutes and I failed. Tapos sabi daw nila, I need to give a random stranger 60 pesos. So, you're very lucky today, yeah. Oh, 60 pesos. You're so lucky today. Sige, yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah, you're welcome, yeah. Very lucky person. So, I think this is it for now. A very lucky person. So, if you want to be that lucky person, if you want to be like that person too, who just won a 60 pesos, well, make sure to subscribe and like. It's your boy, Flashlight Brand New, my boy. Let's go! Oh my god. So, hasta la vista, my 60 pesos. You will be missed, but I'm sure you'll serve that person who I just gave you the 60 pesos. So I will miss you, my boy. And well, I think this is the end for this video. So I hope you guys like the video, and also make sure subscribe. And it's your boy Flashlight Brian, you won again. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.